In the previous lesson, we broke down the TOEFL Integrated Writing scoring criteria. Today, let's tackle the first key step, analyzing the reading passage and taking effective notes. Ready? Let's dive in. Every TOEFL Integrated Writing reading follows the same structure. First, it introduces a topic, like the purpose of an ancient artifact. Then, it presents 3 theories to explain it. Your job? Identify the main debate and the 3 arguments quickly. Let's look at an example. Here's a sample passage. First, identify the topic, the mystery of Chaco's massive stone buildings. Then spot the 3 theories, homes, food storage, or ceremony sites. Pause to skim it now. Got it? Let's break it down. Your goal is to jot down the topic and 3 theories in 30 seconds. Use abbreviations. For example, write T1, homes equals Taos apartments. Focus on keywords, not sentences. Save time for the lecture. Now make a guess. How will the lecture challenge these theories? Maybe the homes lacked fireplaces, or the storage rooms had no maze. Predicting helps you listen actively. Coming up next, listen to the lecture and see if you're right. Let's recap. Master the reading structure, take smart notes, and predict the lecture's rebuttals. These steps will help you craft a strong, well-supported response. Ready to put this into practice? Try our free trial and unlock access to over 4,000 practice questions, full-length realistic mock tests, and instant AI scoring with detailed feedback. No credit card needed. Hit Start Free Trial and see why students boost their scores by 30%. Your perfect score could be 1 click away.